Is your old display case just not big enough to hold your longer locomotives and rolling stock? Are you tired of constantly making compromises in order to show off your prized model collection?
There's gotta be a better way.
There is! Introducing the Rapido display case, extended version. It's a whopping 15 inches long and even has 2 grooves to accommodate HO scale wheels. So now you can proudly display your 85-foot passenger cars, steam engines with tender, even S-scale models will fit. How about 27 N-scale locomotives? But that's not all! Super paranoid? Put a display case in a display case. GP40TC, Kyber crystals for your lightsaber, dihydrogen monoxide, all of my childhood achievement awards, the launch codes, the championship game ball, expansion era Maple Leaf Stanley Cup memorabilia, my wife's stupid head, new ideas for Rapido videos. But wait, there's even more uses. Suggestion box, charcuterie board, bathroom wastebasket, lame sandcastle mold, bombing for apples, compact litter box, catching grass clippings, humane mousetrap, collecting keys at a party, playing Hungry Hungry Hippos when you don't actually own Hungry Hungry Hippos, a gladiatorial arena for small amphibians. There can be only one. Come on, like, battle each other. Okay, so the Eastern American toad apparently does not make a good warrior. Go on, get out of here. You too, Mr. Stockholm Syndrome. And of course, it holds 72.3% more pine cones than the previous model. So order your extended display case today.